Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by routing the audio path. Select the channel with an insert point and patch a balanced TRS or breakout cable. Once patched, set your interface to Unity Gain. This prevents hidden gain jumps. Make sure the insert send feeds your external processor input and the return feeds the channel input. This is the only way to keep the signal flow coherent. If your interface has switchable insert pre/post, choose pre for dynamics. Choose post for global EQ. Now configure the external processor so it integrates cleanly. Set its input and output to Unity and disable extra makeup gain. Once done, engage bypass often to audition differences and confirm the insert is actually in the signal path. Make sure you monitor with headphones and the interface meters together, because meters can hide phase or level issues. If you're chaining processors, put corrective EQ before dynamics when you want cleaner compression. Reverse for creative shaping. Finish by matching the inserted signal level so the processed and bypass levels sit the same in the mix. This prevents false improvement illusions. Once levels are matched, listen in context and make small, purposeful adjustments. If something goes wrong, first check cable type and wiring, TRS tip equals send, ring equals return on most balanced inserts, and verify the processor is powered and patched correctly. If you hear phase thinning, flip polarity or add tiny latency to realign signals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.